For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com. This is the 2020 Toyota Rav4 Adventure. In this video, we're going to install the best window visors you can get. I know this because I've gone through a few. This is compatible with all trim levels of the Toyota Rav4. These are Auto Clover branded visors made in Korea. These install by sticking to the chrome of your windows. We need to first prepare the surface by cleaning it with soapy water, then a degreaser. Soapy water will create a lubricated surface to remove dust and dirt without scratching. The degreaser will strip everything else. Work one spot at a time. Get yourself some painter's tape. This is a paint-safe tape that doesn't leave behind any residue. We will use this tape to pre-install the visors before we make an actual commitment. After all visors are pre-installed with tape, check your alignment and make sure any necessary adjustments are made. Once you like what you see, lift the visor over and peel off the release tape. I had a lot of trouble doing this because it's a very strong adhesive. I found a lot of help using some tweezers. You can see from the completed look the very low profile of these visors. For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com.